Dear students, we will do the new module, module 31. This module is also about computation of taxable salary. In this, we will do two problems. I will work out two problems and each problem has got different adjustments. So if you work out these problems, it will be easy for you to prepare for your examination. Now the first problem, compute the taxable salary of Mr. G for the assessment year 25-26 as per the new scheme. Place of work is Kolkata. Population of the city is above 40 lakhs as per 2011 census. Salary is rupees 60,000 per month. DA not entering into retirement benefits, rupees 10,000 per month. Bonus rupees 72,000. Bonus arrears rupees 10,000. Commission for the assessment year 25-26 is rupees 84,000. Advance salary rupees 60,000. Employer's contribution to RPF 14%. That meaning excess of 12% will be taxable. Professional tax paid by the employer 2,000 per annum taxable. Income tax paid by the company rupees 15,000 per month. Electricity that is taxable. Electricity bill paid by the employer 8,000 taxable. Fees for attending board meetings of other companies 13,000. This will come in income from other sources because there is no employer-employee relationship in that. Educational expenses of his children paid by the employer 40,000. Fully taxable. Please remember this is not educational allowance. He is provided with a big car 1.8 litre capacity for both personal and official purposes. That meaning 2,400 into 12. Other explanation given here has no relevance because as per the income tax rules, small car meaning 1,800 per month and if it's big car 2,400 per month and driver 900 rupees. That is how we will calculate. Maintenance expenses of the car for the employer is rupees 45,000 per annum. He is provided with a furnished rent-free accommodation. Fair rental value of the house is rupees 18,000 per month. Swimming pool of the house is maintained by the employer paying rupees 20,000 per annum. Gardener is provided by the company by paying monthly salary of rupees 1,000. Maintenance cost of the garden for the employer is rupees 6,000 per annum. Since the house is owned by the employer, the swimming pool and the garden expenses are included in the fair rental value. We will not give any income tax treatment separately. He is provided with a security guard and sweeper and employer is paying a monthly salary of rupees 1,600 each, fully taxable. Cost of furnishing the rent-free accommodation is 4,50,000. Now as the first step we have to take the computation of RFA. So RFA computation you have to remember. So what all will be included? Salary, DA is not entering into retirement benefits. Salary plus bonus plus commission. So that is 7,20,000 plus 72,000 plus 84,000. So salary for the computation of RFA is 8,76,000. 8,76,000. Now we have to remember population of the city is above 40 lakhs as per 2011 census. So as per the new scheme, 10% of this value will be taxable. 10% is 87,600. Now we have to remember cost of furnishing the house is 4,50,000. 10% is taxable. So excess 45,000. 10% will be taxable. So the taxable 1,32,600. This is the value of RFA. Now we have to do the computation of salary. So RFA value we have to include in the statement. The computation of salary, the statement should have a title, table showing the computation of taxable salary of Mr. G for the assessment year 25-26 as per the new scheme. So first we will take salary 60,000 into 12. 60,000 into 12, 7,20,000. 7,20,000. Second one, you have to remember DA, 10,000 into 12. 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Third is bonus 72,000. 72,000 bonus. Fourth is bonus arrears 10,000. Bonus arrears 10,000. And fifth is commission 84,000. Commission is 84,000. Next is advance salary taxable 60,000. Now RPF contribution is 14%, so excess of 12% will be taxable. Salary, DA is not entering into retirement benefits. So salary for the computation of includes only salary, and there is no DA, and salary for contribution of RPF only salary, and DA is not entering into retirement benefits, plus commission on turnover. So 7,20,000 plus 84,000. You will get 1,08,000. 14% of that is 1,08,000. 12% is 86,400. So RPF 14,400 is taxable. 14,400 is taxable. Now professional tax paid by the employer 2,000. Professional tax paid by the employer 2,000. Next is income tax paid by the employer 15,000 per month. So 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Next is electricity bill paid by the employer. Electricity bill, the value is 8,000. 8,000. Next is fees for attending board meetings. It will come in income from other sources because there is no employer-employee relationship. Big car, the value is 2,400 into 12, that is 28,800. 28,800. Now the next item is educational expenses of the children, 40,000. 40,000, it's not educational allowance, educational expenses. Now next is salary of security guard, 1,600 into 12, 19,200. 19,200. Salary of sweeper, same value, 19,200. 1,600 into 12. Taxable value of RFA we have already calculated, 1,32,600. Now you have to take the gross salary. Gross salary. Total you will get 15,10,200. 15,10,200. Now less standard deduction. Standard deduction. New scheme 75,000. 75,000. So here 14,35,200. This is the taxable salary. This is the first problem I wanted to explain. Now we will do the second problem. Now we will do the second problem. Second problem, from the following particulars, compute the taxable salary of Mr. B for the assessment year 25-26. He has opted for the new tax scheme. Basic salary 25,000 per month. DA rupees 5,000 per month. That is rupees 3,000 enters into computation for retirement benefits. Bonus 24,000. Leave salary 15,000. Fully taxable while we are getting in service. Entertainment allowance fully taxable 1,500 per month. As per the new scheme, this is not there. Earlier scheme also only government employees can claim for the exemption. Reimbursement of conveyance expenditure incurred in performance of duties. Reimbursement 1,500 per month. Furnished house at concessional rent. So instead of RFA we are calculating concessional rental accommodation here. That is RFA value we will calculate minus whatever the salary, whatever the rent paid by the employee will be subtracted. Then you will get the concessional rental accommodation. So furnished house at concessional rent of rupees 3,000 per month at Chennai. Population of the city is above 40 lakhs as per 2011 census. Fair rental value of the house is rupees 6,500 per month. Cost of furniture is 3,50,000. Salary of gardener is rupees 1,000 per month. Now club bills paid by the employer 7,200 per annum, fully taxable. Employer and employee is contributing 13% towards RPF. So that excess of 12% will be taxable. Reimbursement of medical expenses for a notified decease from an approved hospital, rupees 20,000. This is completely exempted. Now first we have to calculate the concessional rental accommodation. So salary for computation of RFA, salary plus DA at the rate of rupees 3,000 per month, plus bonus plus entertainment allowance. All taxable allowances will come. So that is 3 lakhs plus 36,000 plus 24,000 plus 18,000. So CFA, concessional rental accommodation. So salary for computation of RFA, the value is 3,78,000. 3,78,000. Now you have to remember population of the city is 10%, 40 lakhs, that meaning above 40 lakhs, that is 10% of salary. So 10% of salary is 37,800 plus cost of furnishing 3,50,000 into 10 by 100. It's 35,000. So here it is 72,800. This is the value of rent-free accommodation. Now minus the amount paid by the employer or rent charged by the employer, 3,000 into 12, that is 36,000. 36,000. So here 36,800 is the concessional rental accommodation value. 36,800. Now we have to take the computation of taxable salary. Computation of taxable salary, title should be there. Table showing the computation of taxable salary, income of Mr. B for the assessment year 25-26. So basic salary 25,000 into 12. 25,000 into 12. So the value is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Now DA 5,000 into 12. Only 3,000 was entering into retirement benefits. That is why for the computation of concessional rental accommodation, we have included only 3,000. But here we have to take the full value. 5,000 into 12. DA 5,000 into 12. That is equal to 60,000. 60,000. Third point is bonus 24,000. Bonus 24,000. And fourth is encashment of leave 15,000. Fully taxable. While you encash in service, it's fully taxable. Now, fifth point, entertainment allowance. There is no entertainment allowance deduction as per the new scheme. 1,500 into 12, 18,000. 18,000. Now, sixth one is reimbursement of conveyance expenditure for official duty. It's reimbursement, so it's fully exempted. Club bills paid by the employer, 7,200, fully taxable. Employees commitment paid met by the employer. Now employer's contribution to RPF in excess of 12%. That is, we will include only salary plus DA plus the commission on turnover. So DA 3,000 only is entering into retirement benefits. So when you calculate 13%, it is 43,680. And 12% when you calculate 40,320. So the excess amount 3,360 is the RPF contribution taxable. Now taxable value of concessional rental accommodation we calculated 36,800. Now you take gross salary 4,64,000, 4,64,360. 360. Now less standard deduction 75,000. 75,000. Now when you reduce, you will get 3,89,000. 3,89,360. So this is the computation. So in this problem, you have learned concessional rental accommodation. Earlier problem, you have done rent-free accommodation. So these computations are important. Do these problems again and again. Then you will be thorough with the computation. Happy learning. Thank you.